frustrating and disappointing. You piss off and you go back and put your head down and go to work. You're not coming home. So, you can ask me 100 times. We're going to be in there the rest of the season. He's a beautiful team, man. He's a great football player. He's a great blocker and guy. I got a question for you guys. Kind of Nationals update. They won, by the way. They did win.